Hey guys, what's up? Cody Gertz here, and welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. You guys clicked on this video because I'm going to be giving you an inside look on the 4% challenge, right? The 10K challenge. You've been hearing a lot of hype about it. Maybe you've seen a lot of videos, other videos on it, but I want to give it to you guys straight, right? 100% raw. This is coming straight from Vick. Okay, he actually went live in our Facebook group today about the challenge, and he explained it crystal clear, okay? So you cannot get any, you shouldn't have any more questions, all right? Now here's what I want you to do, okay? I want you to go below this video and simply click the link in the description, and it'll take you straight to my Facebook page, okay? So after you get done watching this short clip here in the next 20 seconds, friend me on Facebook, let me know that you watched it, let me know what you thought about it. I want to hear your feedback, all right? So here's Vick. Thanks for watching, and enjoy.
God save. What's up? Good to see you guys. Okay, so we were talking about the clarity of the message. Okay, it's important, you guys. It's important for us to have the clarity of the message. What is the purpose of the 4%? 4% is not a business opportunity. We're the furthest thing from it. Okay, we are an incubator for success. That's really what we are. We're in business of teaching and training entrepreneurs or aspiring entrepreneurs, existing entrepreneurs, internet marketers, okay, professional marketers, how to become great in what they do, okay? So the education, we're a training center for an entrepreneur. That's really what we are. Okay, now the way what we really focus on is what everybody, like in you guys' marketing, everything that when we go out there to the marketplace, it's important that people, when they get exposed to the 4% and they coming in inside of the 4%, they coming in with the right expectation. Okay, we're going to teach people how to become independent entrepreneurs where they don't rely on any system. They never have to rely on anybody, but they will understand and they'll learn how to create and engineer success for themselves. Okay, it's not guaranteed. We're not promising money. We're not telling them to join and use the system to make $10,000 in X amount of days. We're not doing that. You should not do that. It's very, very important, you guys. People learn the strategies, the skill sets. They learn marketing. They learn who they need to become, how to do that, to be able to apply the knowledge that they're getting from the challenge, level 1, and they can apply it to promoting anything they want to promote, right? They can promote 4%. They can promote any one of our products. They can promote the challenge, or they can promote another opportunity, another company. It doesn't matter. They can promote their book. They can promote their own product or somebody else's product. It doesn't matter. Strategy is what we're really after, and really, you know, helping the person become who they need to become in skill set development, in, you know, self-image, self-perception, behavioral, all that stuff, to be able to pull that off. Okay, we're clear on this, you guys? So even though people watch me promote the challenge, they can apply that to anything else. And that's why when you guys are going to the challenge, you see how it's structured. I kind of parallel with almost every episode. I like say, okay, here, if you're a promotional partner, you know, you can model this. If you're not a promotional partner, take these ideas and strategies, apply it elsewhere, and you will still get great results, right? So it's beyond just click this button, use this system to make money tomorrow. You know what I mean?
And there you guys have it. Thank you for watching. And guys, I gotta say, the challenge is good stuff. Okay, I'm going through it right now. I'm on day 20 of the challenge. I'm a third of the way through. 1 video a day for 60 days. I hope you guys resonated with what Vick said. And like I said before, in the beginning of this video, I posted a link straight to my Facebook page, okay? Shoot me a message, say that you read it. Shoot me a friend request, so that way we can get to know each other on a more personal level, and maybe we can end up working together someday, alright? Maybe you guys want to join the challenge and join our community, okay? Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. See you later.